again. I'm back again. Please, as you join me, don't forget to like the video. Click on the like button, comment, tell me where you're watching from. I hope my voice is loud enough. So we are here to compare the work of DOS, the pressure group, and the government in exile. We saw what happened yesterday. The press briefing from Biafra government in exile under Mazisa Monepa, PM, and different cabinet, all the different government in exile cabinets. There were, they briefed everybody. Okay, the press briefing they did, is a very, very, very a big achievement that shows that people are following what is going on. And we saw a video of our people in South Africa, the information and advice they gave, assuring people in South Africa of the coming of Biafra, that it's time for everybody to go back home to, develop our place. You don't just abandon it for government of Nigeria to do it for you. So in this live broadcast, I want to play a program of one of the DOS member. Some of you may know him, we may not. He's not actually that popular, but he is one of the people that are ranting on social media, thinking that he knows what he's saying and all that. What he said about Aloy Ejimako, because they are not attacking anybody, that is not in line with Ejofo and their group. So I will present to you this broadcast from that guy. Then you see what they focus on. Then you compare it with what Biafra government in Exile are doing. What will shock you is that these people don't even understand the achievement of who Aloy Ejimako is. I'm not here to defend Aloy Ejimako, don't get it twisted. But if you are supporting Ejofo and you are against Aloy Ejimako, to me, I don't see it as something that I don't see that you are telling yourself the truth. So the only offense or something like only problem that I have with Ejimako is when he allowed himself to be used by politicians to preach against sit at home, knowing what we know about sit at home. So, and somebody is trying to use it against our people. That's the only problem. But to them, they are seeing Aloy Ejimako as a problem. Listen to this guy. This is one out of many of them, what they think and how they feel about Aloy Ejimako, which some of us know what they know, but we still understand what Ejofo have done. They don't do any program against Ejofo. But let me not say much. Let's start with his program.
6 Nnamdi Kanu's transfer to Kuje prison. These two applications was that Aloy Ejimako to come in was what was.
And one thing. Before he continue, one thing about these people is that they always think that they are so important. Did you hear him? Did you hear what he said just now? That people should attack Aloy Ejimako to come in and do what? Listen to you. That I'm playing your program is for people to know how deluded you are. Then I see you, and Obina, bros, I see you. I greet all of you. Thank you for coming in. Thank you for your time. I really appreciate it. Then I say good morning, Kai Report, and every genuine Biafran freedom fighters that know what freedom means in the people's life. Fidelis, I see you. One day, good morning, happy weekend. May God give more strength. Yes, amen. And Obina, bro, say good morning. Good morning. Day. Okay, good day. Okay, sorry, brother, good day. And how are you doing? I'm doing fine. I hope you are too. Like the video, please. The first thing you need to do once you come in, please like this video, because if you don't know the meaning of liking the stream when we are live, you're actually telling the people that own the platform that the program is worth watching. You understand? That is something that people should watch and follow. So I beg of you, always like our video. It's very, very important. Yes, your comment is very, very appreciative. I love that. Thank you so much.
There was that was ruled on, that the judge gave ruling on the last court sitting, 20th of May 2024. Right? Now, if that was trial, we will now have the reason, now can have the right to start speaking and defend himself. What actually, as Aloy Jumako, what actually warranted Martin Amkanu on bail application, the ruling day of bail application?
Wow, Choma Ibe, long time no see. Where have you been? Where have you been? I have not seen you for quite some time, and I hope you are okay. I hope all is well with you. Nice to have you today. Thank you so much for your comment.
Kind of started quoting constitution to the judge. What actually brought to that? If Martin Amkanu can speak up in this way during bail, what will happen during trial? So if you cannot defend the bail application you presented before you file in the court, what are you going to defend in trial? Bail. You saw Amkanu defending bail, countering Bintayako's action. It was on bail application. People would take his trial. What actually brought Martin Amkanu to defend himself on bail application, not during trial? Not during trial.
This is their only the agitation now. This is all they're agitating for. Okay, who is against Ifayoba? Oh, let us go online and bash them. Who is against Ejiofor? Oh, let's go now and do the program again. Let us wage war against, because this is how they is on social media like this, making unhealthy comment, blind argument. Martin Amkanu, reason why Martin Amkanu made that speech in the court, I don't know why they see it as a problem. To me, I don't know why. And Ejimako is not the only lawyer in that team, but they single-handedly pick Ejimako because they know that he's a threat to them. They don't like him because he's in contact with Martin Amkanu's family, and the family have gave him their support. They gave him their trust. So the only problem they see is Ejimako. What about Maxwell? What about many of them? Many of them. But all of them are making posts against Ejimako. Maybe some of the lawyers are telling them that Ejimako is the problem. You see, they are not only after Ejimako. Some of them are after Namodekan himself. Like what Ikenga said, that Oyendu, somebody told him, a journalist told him that his master Namodekan is telling PM what he's doing. And the same you and your lawyer have been championing and shouting all this while, oh, Master Amkanu is not allowed to have a freedom of speech, to talk to people. They are monitoring every conversation. If lawyers that go to Master Amkanu one-on-one are having difficulties to discuss with Master Amkanu, to even be able to explain to Master Amkanu what they want to say in the court, how to defend him, how to present the case to the court, to the judge. So is it now that Master Amkanu, is it easy for Master Amkanu to have something like chance to discuss with PM? If their lawyers are complaining on how to discuss, to have a private environment where they can discuss with him to explain to him what is going on and how to present it, whereas that can to discuss about his case. They are complaining that they need privacy, that DSS and Nigerian government are paying attention to every conversation. In fact, I was told that they're not even allowing anybody to go with pen and writing materials. You don't go to see Nnamdi Kanu with paper and pen because they don't want you to write anything to give to him to read. If Nnamdi Kanu is finding it difficult to speak to the judge, he would not allow Ejiofor and all these lawyers to represent him anymore. So you are not criticizing Ejimakor because one of the tweets that Ejimakor made that shocked them, that they don't like at all, is that Ejimakor said that people should appreciate the fact that Oyendu cannot talk to address even media, to say his mind, which these people, they don't want at all. They said, oh, was he not defending himself before? Is it the first time that Oyendu is speaking to media? But in past years, since 3 years after they kidnapped him, it is now that we cannot hear Nnamdi Kanu talking. Even before now, we don't hear anything. Once he wants to address media, they'll rush him. They don't want, because that was agreement between insider and an outsider, telling them on how to do and how to manage his words. Anyway, let's listen to this guy.
Do you know what I draw my attention closer to Aloy Ejimako? Let us now expose him here. Because Nnamdi Kanu exposed him.
Let us now expose him here because Nnamdi Kanu exposed him. This guy. These are the people that the US prefer to give a slot. That's another thing. This is the kind of people that they give a slot to broadcast on Radio Biafra than PM. So this guy is worthy of broadcasting for Biafra than PM. These are the kind of action, the atrocity they committed, pretending that they're doing good for Biafra. Imagine this guy now, what he's saying here. With PM, who do you think would champion Biafran cause better on social media? Is it this guy or PM?
The two, you are seeing the two pictures, right? Spreading the false story that Onyendu Nnamdi Kanu, this very Onyendu he uses, is even wrong to him after.
Look at it. Nan has the golden opportunity to spare both to speak both in court and to media. If you are international, if your intention is that Nnamdi Kanu shall not speak, you have failed. And this is the post that Ejimakor made, that these people, even Emeka Gift, all of them have commented on that, have used this to attack him. But let's continue.
Ejiofor uses it. Ejiofor is IPOB lead counsel.
You see how disrespectful these people are. After sacking Ejiofor, they are now using Nnamdi Kanu's Radio Biafra to tell you that Nnamdi Kanu don't have right to sack him, that Ejiofor is IPOB lead counsel, as if they are the one that employed Ejiofor. People without honor, in the word of our sister Diana, they are the people without honor. You cannot see them, making comment on their own. They always use somebody's comment, convert it as if that is their own. All of them, they are not attacking Oyendu, disrespecting him in everything. After order given by Oyendu, many of them have been given to them, but what do? They refuse to obey any of them. Not one. I can count not less than 5. Let's continue.
Voice cracking. Oh my God.
I'm not yet for whether your voice is cracking or not. Let me just skip this nonsense that he's saying here. Just bear with me.
That's if there is no IPOB, and the wife of Nnamdi Kanu go there and tell him there is no IPOB, you cannot see him speaking out. You did not provide any opportunity for Nnamdi Kanu. You have destroyed the case. That's why Nnamdi Kanu came in to stop everything. Ejimako, you are a liar. Ejimako, you have not even started trial of Nnamdi Kanu. You are making mouth of bail application. No one was granted. You were not granted there. You filed application for extraordinary rendition. They gave you judgment in October.
The word extraordinary rendition, none of them know the meaning. It was the word of this Ejimako that they are talking about. Their lawyer run to PM. Oh, did you hear Ejiofor? Did you hear Ejimako? What Ejimako is? What does he mean by extraordinary rendition? Oh, PM is the one that explained it to Ejiofor. Ejiofor don't know the meaning of extraordinary rendition in the first place. He was confused, and that the person that used it is Ejimako. Now, the only case that their lawyer have won is bailing some IPOB member that they caught with a Biafra flag or Biafra attire, and he went to the police station to bail them. There's no case that these people have, secured for the or IPOB. Not one. When they released, after the kidnapping of Mas in 2015, we know what happened before Nigeria government released him. We know what happened. It was not the bailout, and the agreement did not come from court to court. And the lawyer, or Mas lawyer, what's his name, Ejiofor, that time, was parading himself as a lead counsel and the Odogu and all that. But we know how the whole thing went. Pay attention, and I hope I have not skipped the part where he says something that I would like us to hear. But let's see.
2022. They decided to say you should come back to Kenya. Why are you not presenting those things? You filed application in bail application for Nnamdi Kanu. You never had a big court judgment. Do you know
These people are very, very funny. Very, very appeal court judgment that you claim that your lawyer have won, yet after the judgment was given to Mazagan, do they obey that court order? The answer is no. So what will you do? Since your lawyer have won the case in your own word, they have given him a go ahead order to to release Mazagan and other. After give appeal court and Supreme Court or whatever court that you may mention, DSS are still holding Mazagan. As an organization, freedom fighters, what will you do? That your leader have been, they refused to, he won the case to be released. They said they should release him. What about DSS that refused to release him? What will you do? You fall back to another court. Do you understand? After winning case at higher court, you are going back to lower one to contest. That one aside, you are now questioning the Ejimako to bring this file, bring witness, bring this one, evidence of what happened. Your lawyer said that he has history of how they invaded his house. He have a proof, he have evidence. Until this day, no arrest has been carried out. He said the video is there. You can that he also claimed that he have a video of how they arrested God forbid Mazamekana in Kenya, not PM. He said he has that video, that they have evidence, they have this. Until this day, no evidence has been presented in the court. He couldn't present anything. I would like to, I don't know if I have skipped that place where he was praising Ozokeme, this guy, saying that Ozokeme is a son. That once Ozokeme step in the court, Binta Yako will stand up for him. That once Ozokeme step in the courtroom, that Binta Yako will stand up. So they will be giving Ozokeme standing ovation. The same Ozokeme that couldn't even defend Mazakan. The day of the court, he was somewhere in US, gallivanting.
Too wicked. What you refer to is Supreme Court. As wicked as you are,
that the Supreme Court we are talking about did not come from you. Why are you dodging appeal court judgment? These people will never stop and make someone. So what he's trying to say that you should not use the appeal court judgment, even if you want to use it. Remember that it's not from you. It didn't come from you. It's from our lawyer. That appeal court judge belongs to us. So why are you using it? Chideke.
Put it in your applications. Where did you even write that? This health condition. Tell me a strong ground you presented in the bail applications. Tell me. Tell me. Is it not what you write in the bail that in the application that?
This is somebody you are now elevating age 4. You forgot that the extraordinary edition that they base the argument for the appeal court judgment you are talking about. The argument of lawyers, they base the argument on the fact that Mazen Kano was kidnapped. That this is extraordinary edition. Who inserted that in that way used that template to win that court? It came from a lawyer Jumako. This is not bad. Shouldn't be battle between the two lawyers. But the fact that you people don't understand what you guys supposed to know baffles me. Okay, even if you don't know that, yes, you stand a chance to learn. Are you willing to learn? The answer is no. Because all this argument, all this agitation, all this backbiter propaganda, all those things is because you can sense that not you sense you cannot see that your beloved lawyer is nowhere to be found. The issue is this: are you the one that employed or called age 4 in the first place? Because people say he's a lead counsel of IPOB. IPOB don't have lawyer. Age 4 is not the lead counsel of IPOB. He's a Mazen Kano's lawyer. IPOB did not gather money like this and call Age 4, okay, from today you are our lawyer. No, that's why US did not employ him. So before all of you join IPOB, Age 4 is already there because he's a lawyer to Mazen Kano, not to you people. I don't know why you people are hell-bent in this kind of blind argument. You don't even know the difference between your lawyer and Mazen Kano's lawyer. So that you may bring him in to do, to bear one or two people on behalf of IPOB does not mean that he's your lawyer. You know him from Mazen Kano. Without Mazen Kano, you don't know each other.
To determine if the person will be granted bail. What did you wrote? His house was attacked and his health condition only. And you didn't add appeal court judgment.
And you didn't add appeal court judgment. The appeal court judgment, so that is what will give you joy. And okay, let's assume that he's supposed to add that appeal court judgment. Is he going to release Mazen Kano? Do you think that will release Mazen Kano? You people don't see anything wrong. You don't see anything wrong that your lawyer is defending Mazen Kano at the same time receiving an award, OON. They are giving him an national award. National award. The federal government did not give him that award until you employ him. Also, first thing, bam, national award. A lawyer that is defending Mazen Kano against Nigerian government is now receiving an award from the same government that is defending somebody. You people, sometimes I feel like I mean, what happened to your people, to your brain? Anthony, I see you. Okay, Chioma Ibe said, Kai, my brother, by God's grace, everything is fine. Just that I'm very busy. Okay, I understand, my sister. Take care of yourself. Anthony Umeje, hello, my brother. Good morning from Chile, South America. Have a nice day. Thank you so much for your comments as well. Please, you guys should like the video. If you join in, just click on the like button. Thank you. Thank you.
know what to say. It might call you have failed. So all our effort, everything, we are defeating all the strategy of Nigeria. You don't even see it. Your own is death of God. Do you know we are the people who neutralizes Nigeria? We clear road. We are the IPOB.
God told me, I like, you know, these people are, they always they focus on enjoyment than working. We are people that they neutralize Okay, that is good. That's good to hear. And saying that you people did not. I'm not saying that you people did not neutralize Nigeria. You neutralize Nigeria in terms of what? How do you neutralize Nigeria? Is it? I mean, someone should explain this to me. Maybe I am lost. I don't know. Someone should explain. DOS members neutralize Nigeria. I mean, is their military wing or underground? They neutralize Nigeria. God. And then I said they are going to cry more now because no space for wicked. They're evildoers. We consume them. Listen to just the evildoer will consume them. All the people they have no direction. All the people have no direction and integrity. Exactly. And John Maybe said, Kai, just look at the person speaking. I don't want to talk about his patient and his soldier ant. Soldier ant, the teeth of soldier ant always have a wider gap. Let's you see the teeth like soldier ant teeth. You see. Oh my God. Oh God. That we neutralize Nigeria. Let's these DS people are Guluno. I don't know how they are getting where they're getting their strength from.
Judgment in October 26, 2022. They decided on Ghana say you should return back to Kenya. Why are you not presenting those things? You file a bail application for Nnamdi Kanu. You never had a big court judgment. Do you know you are too wicked? What you refer to is Supreme Court. As wicked as you are, Ejumako, you have been dodging appeal court judgment because you did not come from even the Supreme Court you are bringing did not come from you. But why are you dodging the appeal court judgment? Why didn't you put it in your applications?
This appeal court judgment that this guy is hammering on has been there, and the so-called lawyer that got the appeal court judgment in his own word, they're not using it. What do they use it for? These people are not coherent, no.
What did you even write on the application? His health condition. Tell me a strong ground you presented in the bail applications. Tell me.
Okay, his health condition is not an argument. It's not something to be discussed about. His health condition is not something you should discuss. Some of them, their propaganda or sometimes blind them. They can't even see.
Tell me, is it not what you write in the bill that will in the application that will determine if the person will be granted bail? Tell me the rule. His health was attacked and his health condition. Tell me.
So bail application is more stronger than something that has been proven even by Nigerian media, Nigerian government. They know what they committed in Mazagano's house. They know what they have committed in Kenya. And who made it possible for even Nigerian government, because Nigerian government don't even know the offense they committed by kidnapping Mazagano in Kenya. They don't even know what is the extraordinary detention means. the idea and the argument came from who? Aloy Ejimakor. The court case of Mazan Mekano in Abia State, who delivered that court case? Who win that court case? Aloy Ejimakor. The one in Enugu, who win the court case? Aloy Ejimakor. So I'm not here to sing praise of Aloy Ejimakor only, but my question to you people is this. If you think that Ejiofor is the best lawyer ever and all that, mention one case that he have, that he win for Mazan Mekano. No case. He did not win any case. Mention just one.
And you didn't add appeal judgment. So are you the one who told the man what to say? It might call you have failed. So all our effort, everything we are defeating, all the strategy of Nigeria, you don't even see it. Your own is that of course. Do you know we are the people who neutralizes Nigeria? We clear road, we are the IPOB. We expose them, we neutralize them, we block them. We may express road now gas a liar. Ebe put in a kinyo kama. Hey, who is against the kind of changing of lawyers? We say you lied. You did not change the lawyer because you said truth. You lied. So why did you lie? And we say you are incompetent. Nobody is against him changing lawyer. How can you remove stand and pick ordinary lawyer who have criminal case in USA? How can you do so? Tinubu have criminal case. Then Tinubu is trying and Nandekanda have no case. Then you become a lawyer. The same way you went and you brought Kana Agabi, Attorney General of Nigeria 2 times under Obasanjo. That one, Canon threatened that one, he ran away. You are now there running, talking rubbish. And that is you. The opportunity we created for you is what?
Yeah, so that they created opportunity for Aloy Ejimakor. He's a jobless man, and you created opportunity for him. This is to serve Igbo people. You will receive insult from people that ordinarily they don't have anything to say to you. You will receive insult from everybody. What he's saying here, that Aloy Ejimakor have a court case, have a criminal charges. He not defeated it to Tinubu. He just shifted it immediately. It is not easy. It is not easy because look at somebody that is talking to Aloy Ejimakor. Like I said, I'm not a fan of Aloy Ejimakor. I'm not a fan of any of them. I'm not their enemy. I don't hate even Ejiofor. But I just want us to understand that you cannot, because you hate somebody and when the person do something good, you say that, oh, it's a bad thing. No. It simply means you are not human being. You are not you need to work on your mindset, you need to work on your brain and your reasoning. If you see something that is good, say it's good. Even sometimes like governor of Enugu State. Okay. Some people are happy with him, some are not happy with him, but it does not mean that tomorrow if he starts doing something good, I will say, no, that thing that he's doing is bad because I hate him. No, that's not how it works. So just like PM, they know that he's getting it right, but no. Let's say that no, don't say it. If you even say it, they will start looking for a way to buy you. That's the kind of people that we have in our midst, and people they are feeling comfortable with that. I don't know why. I don't know why you see somebody that's preaching hate like this guy, sharing information that is abusive and insulting, very insulting information. Aloy Ejimakor we are talking about, in every ramification, you can't compare Aloy Ejimakor with Ejiofor. Truth be told, I'm just telling you, I'm just being honest. As a lawyer, you can't compare two of them. Ozokamed, Sam. What has he achieved? Mention one thing. You think that you are Nigerian son? Is it not the people that can give you a title overnight? You can, but if Buhari want to be a lawyer today, even at his age, all he needs to do is just to tell the people that is, that is their responsibility to put wig on your head. Put wig here. They will do it immediately. Yes, sir. Yes, all correct, all correct. Tinubu, as a president today, is it by merit or by qualification? No, that's Nigeria. So you don't compare, like, and you have audacity to say that, oh, we have neutralized Nigeria. You neutralize Nigeria as IPOB, DOS, neutralize Nigeria in terms of what? So I hope you're not trying to take glory of the Biafra government in Exile. I hope that's not what this your comment means, because you are just sounding like as if you are trying to copy something here. That one, don't go there, because I got this Biafra will not allow that one. You got you neutralize Nigeria with hiding at the back of politician or what? How can you neutralize Nigeria that are paying you? You are in terror of Nigerian government. I'm just trying to calm myself so that I will not be too emotional with this nonsense that we are talking here. But let's continue. Let me continue playing this video.
You are telling us that a golden opportunity, Nnamdi Kanu speaking out.
Which is true. Which is true. Biafrans are not feeling comfortable.
Before the media.
Let me pause this guy. And they always think that they own everybody. They own everybody's reasoning. And Biafrans are not feeling comfortable that Mazen Kanu is always not allowed to talk. Any sensible human being will agree with me that whenever you see Mazen Kanu in the courtroom, anytime he goes to court, people are waiting to hear him. But they will just escort him like someone that is deaf and dumb, that you don't talk, he don't have to talk. They will just carry him like an item to court, carry him out. But now he can address the public. Is it not because of the address when he addressed, addressed the media journalist? That was when you people were shouting, "Oh, allow him to talk! Allow him to talk! Let him talk about Ekperima." That was the opportunity that people want to utilize to push Mazen Kanu. Even the so-called lawyer they called Maswa was the one telling what about Samonepa, chipping that idea according to the information that you guys have handed over to him. Being that Jimakon know what it takes to face Nigeria, because what we are trying to do is to push word, put Mazen Kanu in a condition whereby if you say yes, problem. If you say no, problem. But just for you to know the level of lawyer that you are talking about, it was the Jimakon that stopped that nonsense that people wanted to use Maswell to achieve. Pushing Mazen Kanu to, okay, Samonepa, you are bad. Then Biafrans will then turn against or step aside from engaging the Nigerian government to do the needful on his release. Or he will say, yes, allow Samonepa to be doing what he's doing. Then Nigerian government will not say, okay, all the kidnappers and the Fulani herdsmen atrocities in the Anibo is being targeted, he's been pushed to Mazen Kanu, and they will not jail him. Then you will now relax and start eating your money that they paid you for selling him out. We know all those things. It was what Aloy Jimakon understand the problem. He knows what you guys are up to. He stopped that immediately. So for you to know, whatever that he does have a reason. Whether Mazen Kanu is against PM or not, the time that you people want him to voice out was a very long time. Very, very wrong, very, very wrong time. Wrong in the sense that whatever he said at that moment may be used against him or used against his freedom. But you guys turn against him. You see, this is a lawyer. He's the one that caused the problem because you are target. All you people want to know just for him, Mazen Kanu use his head to validate you people's crime. To say, oh, you guys are DOS, and that I'm the one that formed them there. Even a father, sometimes parents do deny their children. there's a crime that children will commit, parents will hands off on him, especially when a child that is up to 18 years. If a child will pick up catapult and went to, go to shopping mall in public place and start killing everybody, shoot aside. The parents did not teach that child to do that thing. Maybe he got the inspiration from bad gang. So because the parents, because he is the child, the guy is their parent, is their child, they should not say, okay, no, where our son stand, we stand. No. You get back to somebody does not mean that you have to bear every consequence that person, whatever the person commits. Master kind of form DSL does not mean that every crime that you guys commit must go to him. No, that's not how it works. And you are here telling us, oh, you crippled Nigerian. You crippled them in terms of what? Economically? Is it economically? Politically? Tell me, how? Do you have any full soldier? The answer is no. All you have is hit and run kidnappers. Do you have any structure to engage Nigerian government taking raw materials or natural resources out from our land? The answer is no. Instead, you guys are even serving and working as a security guard for them. You guys are in good time with the enemies of Mazamakan. Every enemies of Mazamakan, before they kidnap him, you guys are now, solidly behind them. You guys are, in fact, they are the patron. They are now the people that everyone should listen to. Starting from Oba family, starting from even the other guy they called the one Paul Achebe was criticizing the king that Maria would send this patch to most of you. These are people haters of Mazamakan from get-go. All of them are now in good time with you people. And some of them came out when they are pushing for subsidy at home. Even Maria they made a post that the Mazamakan said that you sit at home, that the write-up that they published, that he knows Mazamakan very well, that this thing will come from him. You guys are very, very, in fact, I have not seen something like this before. I can't imagine that we are discussing this. Okay, let's continue. I don't know why it's hanging.
I'm telling you. So all this away forth, you now create opportunity. You that is presenting trial and then I'm going to say no to trial. You are talking about trial, but you come and expose you. And instead of you to go down and sleep, you are here jumping up. Hey, this is what you tweeted after the court. This is the only thing you tweeted. Why can't you tell us that you have secured bail? But you attack and lie against the people who secured the charge and acquitted. So why can't you make mouth with your bail application? You are making mouth with the media. Now they can address media. I don't know about it. It's the foolish, it's the mad. We make mouth with the discharge and acquitted. You may make mouth with addressing media. Is it today now they can start addressing media in court?
You make mouth with discharge and acquitted. You are making mouth with it. After that discharge acquitted, was it discharged or acquitted? Before you start making that mouth, is Mazamakan discharged after truly and acquitted? If yes, where is he? And they will turn around. Okay, the same you that is criticizing the Jofona Jumako that he said that he presented application for Mazamakan to be released, and you are not happy that he did not attach appeal court judgment. Okay, you are criticizing him for that. You forgot that people that we are supporting, the other lawyers, they are busy telling you that Mazamakan after they got that so-called appeal court judgment that we are celebrating now, are they not the one that's telling Biafran that the best thing to do is political solution? That the only way is, after being decided and quit, you are now looking for political solution to do what? Since you are bragging with it and all that, you should accept that you are dealing with evil entity. The Nigerian government they don't know what rule of law means. They are hell-bent in doing anything the way they want. As long as you favor them, that's all. That's all. And just like Shore likely said, that Master Kano's case is because he's asking for total independence of Biafran, and to worsen it, he is from Igbo, people that Nigerians know how to use their constitution on them. That is it, which is true. Okay, let me go through conversation before we allow this guy to rant more before we end this program. Oster said he is just proudly ignorant. He is now analyzing the law as a quack. You don't reference a lower court judgment when a higher court has contrary view about it. Which what I said. They have already given you that order. You have won the case in higher court. Then why are you going back to lower one? And your lawyer was the one that presented the case there as well. Allow them to start discussing about trial there. When people see this kind of man with his reasoning on social media ranting, they will think Biafran agitators are miscreant and mischievous. Since PM step in to do the needful, I don't think nobody is talking about miscreant and I don't hear that before. They are targeting Mazakan as a miscreant because of people that were shouting Oyendoyon around him. BMO, our papa is here. He said good morning and happy weekend, Mazika report GCK. Thank you so much. GCK, thank you so much, sir. I appreciate your comments. God bless you. Then I said, this guy is just a motor park. He's just telling lies and propaganda for people to know how foolish and stupid he is. Educated, illiterate. Shame on you. When looking at him, when he said people should tag Jimako, I laughed because when you look at him and compare with Jimako, Chineke. Oh my God. If not IPOB, do you think that this guy will have courage to even talk about the Jimako in public? Okolie Pascal, good morning from here. Thank you. As at now, Andy Oba, Ejiofor, and US IPB Nigeria are just crying bitterly because PM Simon Ekpa and Biafran government in Exile team have defeated them all. Biafran freedom is here, nothing can stop it. Exactly. And we have seen the documents that PM promised that he's going to publish. He have done it. This morning again, there's a video that he attached it with. If you can, I did not prepare to share it share it in this live broadcast. Maybe in our next broadcast may bring it up. But the video is in his S handle. You can see it there.
Since 2015, we have been addressing media. So Ejimako now provide a golden opportunity. Ejimako.
He's now comparing that since 2015, Mazakan have been addressing media. So you are now comparing the media that he addressed then and the one now. After kidnapping him, do you know what it means to kidnap somebody? Do you know what it means? I pity myself.
Habitual liar. So Ejimako has presented to you what he told Nnamdi Kanu. He told him that we are against him changing his lawyer. We are not against. We are against Ejimako.
In other words, you are not against him. You are. You guys. No.
We are against.
Don't lie now. Be man enough. Don't lie. Stand on your word. You guys are very, very bitter about that. All this hatred and even the one of Mazagano's wife are doing now, all this nonsense is because Ejiofor is being sacked. That has been the problem. And to them, they believe that some the person that is to get that is Ejimako, and with Mazakano. The attack and hatred you guys have on Mazakano started from what? Because because he noticed what the activities, the ordeal of Ejiofor, and he decided to part away with him. That is why all of you are not taking it lightly. Everything that Ejimako said or Canada said become problem. I'm not saying that you should like him or not, but you need to at least be honest. Be honest to yourself. Most of us are not happy with the Canada, but we cannot start attacking him because of whatever they're doing with the legal team and all that. But because you people just see Ejiofor as the owner and leader of IPOB. That's it.
You cannot remove Sam and bring up Mary. That's why Bintanyako is relaxing in court. If Sam comes inside the court, Bintanyako will stand up.
Did you hear that? What I told you earlier? That he said that if Sam comes inside the court, Bintanyako will stand up. So Bintanyako will stand up for Sam. When somebody that is judging your case will stand up for you that are defending. Anyway, all those things is what you forgot that Bintanyako have power to rule the case the way she wants. In the name that she have listened to the whole party. She have the right to do that. If you don't know it. So they are giving her power to do that nonsense. But we definitely have power also to revert it. Not you, dear, not you guys, because you don't have any say in what is going on in Mazangano's freedom.
If Ejimako comes in, nobody stands up. He's an ordinary lawyer. That's what we said. How can Sam secure the side acquitted, secure everything? Then you now lied to Nnamdi. Sam Agabi will lead it. Immediately he accepted. Then all of you started fighting Agabi and you started leading. But before he says Agabi that will lead, did you not post it? Did you not tweet it? When did you tweet that Agabi has left? Is that not criminal act? Is that not criminal act? You tweeted that you praised him, called him Alpha lead counsel. After calling him Alpha lead counsel, you have the Kanu and the Kanunta. Why is it that you didn't tell us again that the Alpha lead counsel have left? That is criminal act. That is criminality. You use Agabi to deceive Nnamdi. After Nnamdi moves his case to ordinary Ejimako, that's why he came up to destroy you in court. Why did you lie with Agabi? Where is Agabi? This criminal Ejimako thief. Where is Agabi? Where is Agabi? Come Agabi, son. Where is him? Where you drop him? You are now leading. Talk about
all this shouting is what they're known for. Once you hit them where they cannot stand it again, they will start shouting, insulting and nonsense. You don't have any right to talk bad about Ejimako. And if you don't like that Mazana can have freedom of expression, to express himself, to tell people how he feels, to present case. Even who told you that somebody that they're defending in court don't have right to talk in the court? I don't know who is. I don't know how you are saying it, but that is not how it is. You can say something in the court. So don't be surprised that Mazagani is the one that requests to address Bintanyako. And after that, what did he do? He told them that even attempt to try to put him in trial is a terrorist act. Did any lawyer come to him and say, no, you are my client, you are not getting it right? No. And who told you that what Mazagano said there was not discussed among the team, the legal team? You just why can you tell us why is it that Mazagano don't have the opportunity before when your son were there? So it was a sin for Mazagano to talk to any social media, to any camera. All of a sudden, he cannot talk. He cannot address people. We cannot hear his voice. We cannot feel how he feel, know what he feel. People are very, very, disgraceful with your comment and your utterances. Anyway, we are going to end it now. Thank you guys for the time. We have spent some time here. This is 55 minutes, going to 56 in this live broadcast. So we'll be live again. Thank you so much. I appreciate your time and your love. See you again. This boy is just mad. Yeah, he's very, very mad, Williams. He's very, very mad, and he refuses to use his brain. There, let me. You can see his lips. Let me. Does he look like someone that doesn't smoke? Look at it. Does this guy look like someone that doesn't smoke? Look at his lips. Does he look like someone? Let me pause his voice so you can see watch him. Let me pause it. Okay, now watch. Does this guy look like someone that doesn't smoke? If you know smokers, this guy take ganja. You can see it. He's a ganja man. Look at his teeth. What happened to his teeth? Excess smoking. I'm not saying that I know, but that's what I feel. All right, it could be from excess smoking. Anyway, we are not going to waste much time. Thank you so much for your time. I really appreciate your time. See you again on my next one. Bye bye for now.